I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 28 under Test of Orals, Section 2. Now the instruction is from the words lettered A to D, choose the words that has the same consonant sound or sounds as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. Now the word given to us is dream, and letter R in dream is underlined. So option A is gird, B is term, C, guard, D, thrill. So first I will transcribe the word given to us, which is dream, so we can see the consonant sound represented by the letter underlined, and then I'll transcribe each of the options so we can pick out our answer from the sounds we would see. So dream is transcribed this way. So this is R consonant sound, then long E, so dream. So you can see that this is the consonant sound. So option A, gird, is transcribed this way. Gird. Option B, term, is transcribed this way. Option C, guard, is transcribed this way. And option D, thrill, is transcribed this way. So from what we have here, we see that thrill contains the consonant sound, the same that you have in dream. Therefore the correct answer is D, which is thrill. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more past questions and answers, and also for more videos. Thank you.